Welcome back to my channel. It's Carly here. I am back with another video. I recently got a new car, a 2019 Honda Civic Sport. The reason I got a new car is because while my old car was parked on the street minding its business, somebody lost control of their car and slammed into my car and two other cars parked in the street. And of course, with my bad luck, my car got the worst damage and it's totally ruined. Now it's just parked in my driveway waiting for me to get it towed. So yeah, I had to get a new car and I was gonna go with a used car, but plans changed and I decided to go with this new car. So if you guys want to see how my car looks, keep on watching. Hey guys, let's start off with the key. This is how the key look. It has the regular lock and unlock button. This button right here, you hold it to open the trunk. And the cool thing about this car is that you could start the car from a distance. All you have to do is press this, the car will lock, and then you press and hold this, the car will flash once, and then the car will start, and then it'll flash 3 more times to let you know that it's on. We're here at the gas tank, and the cool thing about this car is that as long as the doors are unlocked, all you have to do is press this and it'll open, and it's capless, so you don't need any caps. And right when you lock the door, you just close it and it'll lock back. Here at the door, and the cool thing about this car is that it has a sensor on the door, so if your car keys are in your pocket or in your bag, you don't have to like take your keys out. All you have to do is put your hand right here, it'll unlock. I'm gonna start the car, and it's just regular. Press the brake and the push button, then the car will start and everything will light. Here's my steering wheel cover that I'm so in love with. I got it off Amazon for $14, I think. It was on sale. And it came with a cute matching set for the push start button. And it has different colors like online, but I chose the black one because I thought it would match the side of the car. And it just looks so pretty. It was kind of hard to put on, but not impossible, obviously. But I'm just so in love with it. Steering wheel, and it has the buttons to control like switching the radio, switching like the song if you have it like on if it's connected to your phone, volume button. You could answer the calls, hang up the calls over here, and it has Siri right here, so that's really good. You could press it and it'll like tell Siri like, oh, take me home, or call mother, like stuff like that. And over here we have, I don't even know what these are for, but I know this button right here is to keep a certain distance away from like cars in front of you. So if you press this button right here, you'll see it pop up on the dashboard, and you could set how far you want to keep like in front of the car. Okay guys, let's go over here first. The cool thing about this car is it comes with a lot of safety features. It has like the lane assist, so if you're like going outside of your lanes, like swerving or anything, the steering wheel will move itself and it'll help you keep like stay centered. And it also has this button, which like if a cop, oh my gosh, if a car in front of you stops out of nowhere, it'll stop itself, like it'll brake for the car will brake, and it'll help you like avoid accidents, which is really good. The mirrors, and then the mirrors don't come with any lights, which are okay. We just have the regular like lights and stuff. I wish this car came with a sunroof. It would have been like way too amazing. It's just regular like space. It doesn't have a lights or anything or a lock, but it's just regular. Okay, let's come over to the seats. The seats are like, I don't know what material it is, but it has like leather and like cushion or whatever. It comes with it, and it has like the little checker thing in the middle, and it's really cool. It gives it like a little sporty look and stuff. So over here I have my 2 little pink air fresheners. I have we have the emergency lights right here, and then this is like the cool thing about this car. Once you connect your phone via USB, it'll pop up here, and there's a lot of other apps you could get, but the apps will like pop up right here, and then you could press like whatever you want to do. You'll see your call logs, you can answer messages here, so it's really good. And you could press home, and this is like the home. You could change the color of the background, because I know when I first got it, it was red and I changed it to purple. And I saw like on YouTube that you could also like put your own picture here, but I'm not gonna do that. And like just the audio, you could press source and you could pick where you want your music to come from: radio, Bluetooth, iPod, Apple CarPlay, so a lot of cool stuff. And one cool feature that this car has is that they added back the volume button, because I know a lot of the old Honda Civics, like 2017 I think, they didn't have this button. It was everything I think was touchscreen. So now you could change the volume up here really fast, or you could use the steering wheel as well. So that's really cool. Thing I like about this car is that the backup camera, of course, once you put the car in reverse, the backup camera shows up, so you could see different. This is the wide view, this is like regular, and then this is when you want to see, this is like I think from the bottom. So if you want to see how, like if you want to get really close to something, you'll use this one and it'll show you like how like close you are, how much space. And this button right here is to change the climate, so like put the AC on, the mode, and how high you want it to go. It's like, or you could use this button right here to change. It's the same thing. And this button right here is to control the temperature, so like up and down. So, and you could like set it as at a certain temperature and everything, and press auto, and that'll be good. We come over here, and a cool feature about this car is that it has a brake hold. So if you're ever in traffic, like very bad traffic, or you're in drive-through getting some food and you don't want to keep pressing the brake and the gas, if you press the brake button, it'll pop up on your dashboard, and the car, once you take your foot off the gas, the car will like stop itself, and all you have to do is press the gas and it'll go again. And once you take your foot off here, this is how this part of it look. It has 3 cup holders, so this can move like front and back. It's a little hard because I have stuff back there, but it has a 3rd cup holder, so if you have like a very tall drink, you could put it there. And this opens up right here, and I just have like lotion, like perfume, and a Bible and stuff over here. Now we come to the back, and this is how it looks from the back. It's really cool. It looks really nice. And this is like how the back looks. Just regular 3 seats. There's like nothing like in the back. It's usually like storage stuff, but there's nothing over here in the back, and there's no like cup holder in the back or anything, which I don't really like, but it's alright. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my car tour. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave them below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.